Good day, guys. Welcome to the Big Blue Bandito channel. Today we are going to finally tap into the old red truck here. I'm going to flip the camera around and tell you about a little bit about the vision I see for this unit. And it's a beautiful sunny day out here towards the end of May, so great day to be outside on the weekend. And we'll start dismantling the old grain box here, stripping it down to the hoist and pulling mud flaps, cross members, everything in between. So let's flip it around here and get a brief story on where we're going with this. Okay, let's start at the front. Right now we've got a mismatched hood on this rig. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but I'd prefer to have that close to this color, so we might swap out the one that's on Big Blue. And I've got the matching doors and cowl panels just to tie that in with a close color match. We did pick up some weather stripping kits, and we've got sill plates and kind of all the little miscellaneous pieces to get the doors back on. We'll clean up the steps and give this truck a polish at some point. Maybe freshen up the wheels with some gloss black. This fuel cell, I think, is going to move over to this truck. That's another little mini project in the sequence. Grain box, this all has to go. Last year we did the one side, so today we'll start chipping away at it again, see if we can get her down to the hoist. And then this hoist is going to be gone because my vision is to have a 5.3 with a 4L60E and a little short stubby drive shaft. This truck has the longer wheelbase than Big Blue, so I think it's possible. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but we'll tackle that one step at a time. And from there, just clean up the wiring, get some lights on her. And I'm pretty sure this one is not going to be plateable. I'd like to trailer it to the track with this configuration, so that is the long-term plan. It's going to take a little while to get there, but today's day one of fresh season to get this truck in order, so let's get at it. All right, we've got our camera mount to bring you guys along. We've got a little pail here to put in miscellaneous metal components for recycling. We're going to start with all the loose stuff that we can get off the wood here, the hooks and straps and ladder and anything else that we see along the way. So let's get it set up. All right, probably wondering why I'm not using the air compressor and power tools. I don't know, maybe it's just a preference, but sometimes something about working on something with the old open-end box end wrenches and breaker bars, I don't know, a little bit more satisfaction knowing you kind of turned every bolt by hand. You're working on an old vehicle, so anyways, just a preference. Yes, yes. Alright guys, what I always say is part of the fun of these old vehicles is the deep clean, the vacuuming, the sweeping, the pressure washing, you name it, the dismantling, the finding of pieces. It's all kind of part of the fun in my opinion, but this is the worst side here. Let's tackle this and see if we can get it looking a little better. looks not too shabby. The old deep clean on the 61 GMC 950. She's looking pretty good. You almost want to hop in and go for a whirl. A lot better than what it was. Figured this out. This is hydraulic oil or whatever's in the pressurized in the lines that was leaking and building up. Kind of a gross thing to vacuum up, and it seeped behind the seat all the way to the other side, but got most of it out anyways. Yeah, this seat's gonna come out, but needed to do the clean anyways. This thing's been sitting with open doors for years probably, so here we go. Looking a lot better.